I'm in Milwaukee, in the Deer District. A vibrant, fun location surrounded by dining and nightlife, looking at the Fiserv Arena. And I'm headed across the street for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished corporate apartments at the 550 Ultra Lofts. I'm at apartment 312, a one-bedroom, looking at high ceilings, exposed ductwork, plank flooring, comfortable seating. It's an open plan living dining kitchen. It's a large flat panel TV, home office desk, and large windows. It's breakfast bar peninsula, white quartz counters with marble veining, wide undermount stainless steel sink, has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. It's a 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. And since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, you'll find a great selection of countertop appliances and all the cookware, dinnerware, glassware, and cutlery that you'll need to stay a while. Getting back, looking at the entryway, sliding door opens into the bedroom. A transom window for barred light. Just inside the entryway, it's a front-loading stacked washer-dryer. And just beyond that, you have your bath with a floating vanity, large drawer for storage, and a walk-in shower. Sweet Home has a variety of apartments at 550 Ultra Lofts. They're all very stylish, all set up to make you feel comfortable. And since it's Sweet Home, it's a sweet deal.